Firstly, I would rate 5 on 5. Why? Because you teach it all the strategies, tips, and tricks that helped me in the exam very well. As I am giving it in first attempt, I got 69 score is very much impressive, I guess. So I came to know about you by searching in Google, sir. It showed in the very first search of it. From that, my mother get to know, and then my mother recommended me to contact you, and then I just contacted you. Templates worked very well, so it is student friendly, and the accuracy is very near to the official exam. Everything was taken care by you, and every steps, whatever is followed. I not found any discomfort or any kind of that interaction thing, and like it the most that the chat box thing. I should that means every student will be interactive and they will be um, more into the class. But I would definitely recommend to my friends and family members, those who are planning to take the PT exam in upcoming days. Thank you, sir.